Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a Legends Fantasy Draft in Madden 27. First, go to the Creation Center and then open the Download Center. From here, go to Rosters and use the search option to look for a Legends roster. You can search for keywords like Legends and then choose a roster based on the downloads, ratings or whatever you prefer. Once you find the roster you want, download it and then make sure you actually load the roster before starting your franchise. To do that, go back to the Creation Center, open load/delete files, select rosters and load the Legends roster you just downloaded. Once you see the message saying the file loaded successfully, you are ready to start your franchise. Now go into franchise, select create new league, choose whether you wanna play solo or multiplayer. I'm just gonna select offline solo. Choose your roster file, then select your team. When you reach the franchise setup screen, look for starting point and choose fantasy draft. Then select start fantasy draft. Again select your fantasy draft and start drafting. Then you'll enter the draft with the Legends roster you loaded. Now you'll start seeing legendary players available in the draft, including Jim Brown, Chris Johnson, Steve Atwater and plenty of other players from different eras. Keep in mind, some custom rosters may have players with very high overall ratings and some details might not be completely accurate. You can also edit the roster yourself before starting the franchise if you wanna change the player ratings, ages or other details. So if you wanna play a fantasy draft using legendary players in Madden 27, just download a Legends roster, load it, start a franchise and change the starting point to fantasy draft. That's all you need to do, and you can even set it up with friends for a Legends fantasy draft. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.